Okay, so in the next part, this will be the last part for this week, and I'll teach more next week because I think we'll be learning more of it. So we are going to go from here. Once you have this, we're then going to come round. Yeah, so it's going to be round, and legs going to follow. Zoom, xiao, cut. From here, we're going to go arm, down, up, wave, down, grab, open. Yeah, so it's going to be sliding open, zoom. From here, we're then going to go open, open, and then we're going to go arms in and pull, push. So breaking down, what happens with the foot is that we are going to step out first. It's going to twirl in, it's going to follow, drag, and click. Yeah, so we're going to zoom, zoom, cut. Yeah, so it's a bit of a motion, and with the arms, we're pretty much going to go here first. Yeah, oh wait. Right hand in, left hand around, both pointing. This is going to come zoom. Yeah, so you want to make sure that we twist our body to that direction. Zoom. We're going to come around. Yeah, so this is going to come around our face, back of our head, and this one's just going to follow. Zoom. This one's going to come around here, and it's going to twist, twist out, and click. Yeah, so again, you're going to go zoom, zoom, back, click. With the foot, we're going to go out, in, round, click. So here we're going to go zoom, yeah, zoom, zoom, cut. Yeah, so with this one, you want to make sure that there's a bit of a lag time with your foot. Zoom, zoom. So as you come in, out here, you're then going to bring your foot in, out, zoom, click, and you're going to click together. Here, it's pretty much all like isolation, so you're going to go hit bend, bend, down. You're going to bring this back up, and then you're going to do a wave. So you're going to wave from right to left, yeah, zoom, and then you're going to come down, like as if you're putting on a boot, and then you put a boot on again, and then you're going to feel really stressed about it. Why did I do that? And then so we're going to do that, and then from here we are then going to do a in. So this is going to be in. We're going to go open. We're going to lift our left foot up as if we're going to step forward, but not. We're going to go close, open, and then we're going to put a hand so it's front. This is going to be breathe, and we're going to push out. And then we'll start the next part, which will be next week. So with the timing for this one, we're going to go on lyrics. So with this one, it's pretty much everything that Taemin sings. We are going to go here. This is going to be a long danger. So we're going to go danger, cut. From here, this is going to be otopame, 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 danger. Yeah, so we're going to go danger. And then it's going to be runchkaya, 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 runchkaya. So we're going to go runchkaya, 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 and boom.